Hi friends, welcome to another session. Today we are color beautiful flower art easy. So let's start. First I color main flower with red color. I use red color as outline, not all over the flower, like this as outline. Here, here and here. After that we add orange color. When we add orange color, we add it with starting deep layer to light layer, like this. And finally we add yellow color. And this flower I use dark blue as an outline and light layer and light blue. For these same three flowers I use same colors. If you like, you can use different colors also, but here I use same colors, dark blue and light blue. This flower also dark blue and light blue. And this place is also light blue. If you like, you can use pink or any color. And this flower I use red color. Here also as somewhat outline, and we add pink color. Here red color and pink color. And here also pink color. Here and here also. And let's color leaves. When I color leaves, I use two colors. If you like, you can use one color. I use dark green in one side and light green in one side. I love this color combination so much. Here light green. If you like, you can use yellow also for light green. It is also so beautiful. Here and here. So this is our finished flower art. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for being with me.